Hello, I'm Gerald Pekler, working from BU SNC, but I'm also part of the NXP drone Tiger team. What we showcase here is our drone industrial reference design, consisting of two parts. First, we have our flight management unit running an open source flight stack PX4 and having a K66 microcontroller with 2 megabit flash running at 180 megahertz clock speed. And we have sensors in that are automotive grade, so pressure sensor, gyro sensor, and magnetometer. Because what we see more and more is that it is needed to have certified hardware to fly in certain areas in future. The second thing we have here is our D2X communication unit. We have the same board here at the drone as well as on the ground station. It's based on the automotive V2X standard 802.11p, which provides an open mesh network running on 5.9 gigahertz with 27 megabits data rate. It's designed for high approaching speeds of 500 kilometers per hour, low latency, below 1 millisecond, and it's designed to work with reflections. So that makes it a perfect fit for drones as well. What we showcase here is that we have a live data link between the drone and the ground station. So you can see that if I move the drone, also the horizon is moving and the compass is turning. What we will implement in future is also HD live streaming. The board is ready-made for this. We have an MIPI CSI connector for an HD camera, and we have HDMI out. Besides a 1 gigabit Ethernet connector, where we are able to stream data into a network as well.